In this video, I will show you how to change and customize your YouTube caption settings to make them bigger and easier to read. Let's get started. To begin, I open my web browser and click on the address bar at the top of the screen. I type YouTube and select YouTube from the search suggestions. On the Google search results page, I click on the official YouTube link to take me directly to the homepage. Once the homepage finishes loading, I browse the available videos and click on one to open it up. As the video starts playing, I move my cursor over the video player to bring up the playback controls at the bottom right. Here, I click on the gear-shaped settings icon to open the playback options menu. Inside the settings menu, I click on Subtitles and CC. In the subtitles list, I click on Options in the top right corner of the panel to access the full subtitle customization menu. Here, you can see several formatting options, including font family, font color, font size, background color, background opacity, window color, and window opacity. I click on font color to view the available shades, and then I head back and select font size. Currently, it is set to 100%. To make the captions significantly larger, I scroll down the list and click on 400%. Instantly, the text on screen expands to a much larger, highly visible size, making the subtitles much easier to read while watching. To test how it looks, I let the video play for a moment and observe the newly enlarged text across the screen. Now, if I want to adjust it again or make it smaller, I move my mouse back over the player and click the gear-shaped settings icon once more. I click on Subtitles and CC, and then click Options in the top right corner. From the options list, I select font size again. This time, I click on 100% to return the captions back to their default size. I click away from the menu, and the subtitles immediately return to their normal display size. That is how simple it is to customize and adjust caption sizes on YouTube whenever you need better visibility. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.